Areia Creations. How you like that?
Hey everyone, this is Faye. Today I'm going to show you my Blackpink Jennie How You Like That cover makeup. I don't have blonde hair, but I think the makeup is similar enough. So now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to do the base makeup first. Start from the foundation and then the concealer. If you want me to create another makeup tutorial of Blackpink members' makeup look, please let me know in the comments below. And then I'm going to contour my nose and my face like this. As you can see, I make the contour look more visible this time to hide my chubby face. And then for the eyebrows, I'm going to draw my eyebrows a little bit curved to make it look like Jennie's eyebrows. And then I'm going to soften the lines by applying a brown eyebrow powder on top of it. Now I'm gonna do the eye makeup. Let's start with the base eyeshadow first. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids and bring it upwards towards the eyebrows. And then I'm going to apply a shimmer eyeshadow under my upper lid by using my finger. Next, to give it a little bit of yellow touch, I'm going to mix two yellow eyeshadows and apply it lightly onto my lids like this. Next, I'm going to create a dark illusion on my eyelid by using a dark brown eyeshadow and focusing more onto the other color. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with a black pen liner, and I'm trying to make my eyes look smaller by drawing the wing a little bit thicker than the rest. Next, I'm going to line my waterline as well. And next, I'm gonna apply a shimmer shadow onto the eye also. I'm just gonna draw a thin line near the lower lash line like this. After that, I'm going to finish off the eye makeup. This is the main part of this makeup look, the red blusher. I'm going to apply it layer by layer beneath my eyes. And then I'm going to blend it with a little bit of peanut brown eyeshadow to tone down the redness. And next, I'm going to apply the highlighter a little bit. Last, I'm going to mix two lip tints for the lips and create a glossy lips. And makeup is done. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if you like this makeup tutorial, don't forget to share and like this video as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!